Today I'm going to talk about SLPs. So, goal today is just to let you know how you can maximize your SLPs for the day. Typically, you will have 20 SLPs na ibibigay sa inyo per day, depende sa number of axes nyo. So, for our scholars, you have 3, so you'll probably have 20 per day. So, the first thing you want to do is pag zero yung energy nyo, it would be good to start playing adventure and leave your energies for arena. So every time now, since I have zero energy, if I play an arena, whether if I win, even if I win, I won't gain any SLP. But in adventure, even if I don't have energy, I'll I'll still be able to gain SLPs as long as I reach the cap of 100. So it depends. If I have energy in adventure, I'll be able to gain EXPs. So EXPs will help your Axies level up. But that only helps if you want to, go and progress your adventure time. But since I'm already on a significantly high level, and I only keep my one Axie leveled up and the rest are just like at level 1. um I just play in adventure when I don't have energy anymore. So I save my energy for arena, then I just try to maximize the 100. So I have a couple more. I'll do like a quick game. Well, it's not a quick, I'm not a quick game player, but I'll do a quick game and then I'll upload this. I'll just probably do it in like quick fast mode, forward it, and yeah, that's just my tip for the day is when you have zero energy, play in the adventure mode and you'll still be able to earn SLPs. Let's try. This is my favorite level to play at. It's level 19 because it's not the enemies are not too difficult, but you still gain a significant amount of energy. So what I do typically, I'll just let my lower level Axies die and just have my reptile do everything at the end. So I'll just wait end my turn, just let them kill my aqua there, and when they're dead, okay, still left him. Guys, stop. Maybe I can start attacking him now, I guess, but I'll just let the aqua die. Yep. One thing though I would say is that if you are still on a low level, it would be a good idea to try to level up and use your energies for EXPs, only because it will take you so long um, to farm. It will take you a long time to farm if you're on a lower level, because um, you get more you get more SLPs at higher levels in adventure mode. So at the beginning, yes, it's quite good to use your energies for EXP. Then later on, when you've reached a certain level, it's probably better to just use your energy for arena, because that's extra. There's no cap there. As long as you have energy and you're winning, you'll get SLPs. Whereas in the adventure mode, it's capped at 100. So just to small tips there to maximize. So I'm just, really doing 3 at a time. None of their attacks are going through to my reptile anyway. Pretty beefy little thing there. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, this guy is gonna go on shield. See, I already know what's gonna happen. It's like play this level so many times now. This is just one match, so you have to do this a couple of times to farm for the day. And let's see. Duck. Why am I even looking? I know what's gonna happen. And that's done. We are done. Yay! So I typically would finish everything within 3 rounds because I need 1 round per enemy, per opponent. I just let my 2 lower level Axies die and just let. So that's 9. So I have a couple more to go for the day and 15 more to go. Couple more grinding and then done for the day. Then when I have my energy reset at an hour and 53, like less than 2 hours, I'll start smashing in the arena and change my team. I have a different team for that. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.